Hi, TR here. This video is for our final assignment, the reflection point number 3. It's part of the Module 5 Resource Choices, Financial Wellness. You want to click on the link and it opens up to the assignment reflection number 3, content page, lovely image. Here is the video that explains how to do this. The instructions, as always, read and watch the video, carefully read, and then watch the video and the assignment tip announcements before you start working on this assignment. Please do not submit pictures of handwritten documents. So, there's 3 components here that we talk about, and I will go through these as we look at the template. The template, as always, is recommended, expected, as it organizes your work for you, so no thought is required in terms of organization, and all you need to do is just click and enter. Click and enter the information. So here's the link. I'm going to click on the link, and it will look like, the template will look like this. So column reflection point number 3, and click here, add your name please. Instructions, complete the template answering each of the 3 questions below thoroughly. Be sure to use key concepts from this module, making connections, what you have learned about wellness. Should be from what you have learned. Nevertheless, moving on. So, section 1, think of all the resources you have available to you at this time in your life. So that could be time as a resource. You're young and you have the opportunity to take your time to make a decision. Physical and emotional energy, education, opportunity, specific skills, social networks, friends, families, coaches, teachers, etc., and your finances. Your job is to identify 3 of your own personal resources and give at least 1 personal example for each. Okay? So, now say you say, well, TR, I've got like another resource that I'd like to add that is not included but I think would work. Yeah, go, you rock. You got it, you use it. Just remember, depth, detail, and personal examples. So give your resource and detailed personal example, click and add it here. Never at the bottom of the document. Okay, then section 2 says, how can the personal resource or the personal resources you have identified can be used to achieve your lifestyle choices and goals, and be sure to include the wellness connection. And so for your 3 personal choices, you add that information, click and add that information. Okay, so moving on to section 3, how can these personal resources be used to be of value to others? And again, be sure to include the wellness connection. The more depth and detail and personal connects that you make, the better you will connect to this assignment. You will learn from the assignment and, of course, get the best mark that you can get for this assignment. Now, the marking rubric in the program of studies, this outcome is the one that's being worked on. You're identifying personal resources. So we start from level 1, where you're going from limited and insufficient to an excellent understanding of individual resource goals, values, and priorities in connection to the information within the module. Detailed personal examples are provided. Detailed wellness connection is included. The 3 parts of the template that connects to this outcome are sections 1, 2, and 3. The second outcome in the program of studies, you're comparing needs, wants, and consequences with consideration of others. Again, our connection is sections 1 to 3. As we move across the explanations for each level. Level 1 is undeveloped and insufficient, and that's worth 25%, or 1 out of 4. Level 4 is worth 100%, and your reflection is thoroughly and comprehensively demonstrating a connection and comparison between personal resources and lifestyle choices. Detailed personal examples are provided. Detailed wellness connection is included. As you see the spectrum from right to left, that this is mastery of what we want you to learn. Okay, now let's move to the assignment tips announcement that I've created for this. Here's the video. Read this information. Make sure, because near the end of the course, I still have students who submit files with a key or pages or HTML or open source ODT, so I can't open it. Please submit what I can open. We've created a lovely announcement that goes over properly saving files. Questions, issues, or concerns, use your private discussions. Do take care and have a great day. Bye now.